In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into a Canva design. We're going to connect your Typeform directly into a Canva project so you can showcase interactive forms inside your designs. This is perfect for presentations, landing pages, or any visual you want to share with a live, fillable form. Start on your computer by opening Typeform. Once you're in, choose the form you want to use and head to the Share section. In Share, select Embed in a website. You'll see options to copy either the iframe code or a simple URL. Go ahead and copy whichever you prefer and keep it handy. The iframe code is what websites typically use to display a form directly on a page, while the URL is just a link to the form itself. Even though we'll connect through Canva in a moment, having this ready ensures you know exactly which form and version you're working with. Now switch over to Canva on your computer and open the design where you want the form to appear. With your design open, look for the Apps section. This is where Canva lets you bring in tools and content from other platforms. In Apps, search for the Typeform app, and when you see the Typeform icon, click it. Then click Open to launch the integration. Next, choose Connect. A pop-up will appear asking you to grant Canva access to your Typeform account. Click Accept to approve this connection. This secure link simply allows Canva to find your forms so you can place them directly into the design you're working on. Once connected, use the search field to find the exact Typeform you want to embed. The search looks through your Typeform account, so it helps to use the form's name or a keyword you recognize. When it appears in the results, click the form. Canva will pull it in, and you'll now see your form right inside your Canva design. Give it a moment to load and preview. If you maintain multiple forms with similar names, double-check you selected the right one based on the title you saw back in Typeform. From here, your form is integrated within the design canvas, ready to be displayed as part of your visual project. If your browser asked for permission earlier, make sure you confirmed it so the connection remains active. That's all there is to it. You opened your form in Typeform, accessed the Embed options, connected Typeform through Canva's apps, approved access, searched for your form, and placed it directly in your design, so it's ready to share and present.